The 30K segment in India just got more competitive with the arrival of the Honor 200. But is it the upgrade you've been waiting for? We'll be dissecting its features and stacking it up against the popular OnePlus Nord 4 to see which phone offers the most bang for your buck. But before I get started, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such tech reviews and comparisons. Let's kick things off with a look at design, where two distinct philosophies come into play. The Honor 200 embraces a focus on lightness. Its sleek plastic body, finished in a smooth matte, feels comfortable in the hand and keeps weight to a minimum. It comes in two color options, and the one I have here is Moonlight White. It's a classic choice, especially with a textured finish, but maybe a touch on the conservative side. The OnePlus Nord 4, on the other hand, exudes a more premium feel with a metal construction. It boasts a trendy dual-tone finish available in this Oasis green color, but you also get Obsidian Midnight and Mercurial Silver, giving you a wider range of styles to choose from. Also, bonus points for Nord 4's IP65 water resistance rating. Peace of mind for clumsy thumbs everywhere. Ultimately, the Nord 4 seems ideal for people who value both durability and a bit of flair. Moving on to the display, both phones offer impressive specs with their 6.7-inch screens and 120Hz refresh rates. The Honor 200 features a 1.2K AMOLED panel with a peak brightness of 4000 nits, which is fantastic for HDR content. The Nord 4 though has a slightly larger 6.74-inch 1.2K AMOLED screen with a peak brightness of 2150 nits. So the Honor 200 gets brighter under specific conditions, but no matter which you choose, both phones boast stunning visuals with rich colors and deep blacks thanks to the AMOLED technology. When it comes to performance, the Nord 4 takes the lead with its Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor. In our benchmark tests, the Nord 4 scored higher, showing better results on Antutu and Geekbench compared to the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 in the Honor 200. But don't get me wrong, the Honor 200 held its own. Now this version comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, but you can upgrade it to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Meanwhile, the Nord 4 tops out at 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The Honor 200 can handle demanding gaming easily, and it even has a Game Center app to help optimize performance. I pushed it with BGMI on smooth extreme settings, even cranked it all the way up to Ultra HDR for a bit, and surprisingly, it ran smoothly without any lag or stuttering. It did get a little warm, but that's pretty typical for mobile gaming. In the camera department, the Honor 200 takes a more is more approach. It boasts a versatile setup with a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Plus, it has a 50-megapixel selfie camera. The Nord 4 keeps things a little simpler with a 50-megapixel main shooter and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor along with a 16-megapixel front camera. Overall, photo quality is pretty similar between the two phones, but the Honor 200 offers a wider range of possibilities. Daylight shots on the Honor 200 are more true to life with natural colors, although it can sometimes lean a little warm. Low-light photography is definitely better on the Honor 200, capturing more detail and balanced exposure compared to the Nord 4. The telephoto lens on the Honor 200 makes a big difference, offering 2.5x optical zoom for crisp close-up shots without sacrificing quality, a significant advantage over the Nord 4's 2x digital zoom. But the Honor 200's portrait mode might be its secret weapon. It collaborates with Hardcore Studio to bring you 3 AI-powered effects that will have you taking studio-quality portraits in no time. The 50-megapixel selfie camera on the Honor 200 also impresses with its well-lit and detailed photos, even in low-light conditions. However, it doesn't utilize the same cool hardcore portrait modes as the rear camera, which is a bit of a missed opportunity. Now let's talk battery life, the bane and blessing of every smartphone user. Both the Honor 200 and the Nord 4 pack some serious juice, but let's see how they compare. The Honor 200 boasts a 5200 mAh battery. That's a solid chunk of power that should keep you going for a full day even with moderate usage. On top of that, it supports crazy fast 100-watt wired charging. However, keep in mind that the Honor 200 doesn't include a charger in the box. So factor that extra cost in your decision if you don't have a compatible charger already. The OnePlus Nord 4, on the other hand, comes with a 100-watt charger included. It also packs a slightly larger 5500 mAh battery. In our tests, it managed to squeeze out nearly 6 to 7 hours of screen on time, which is quite impressive. and the fast charger topped up the phone from dead to 100% in less than 40 minutes. While the Nord 4 seems to have a slight advantage over the Honor 200 in terms of battery life, one thing's for sure, both of these phones ensure that you won't be left with a dead battery in the worst possible moment. Software-wise, both phones run on Android 14 with the respective skins, Magic OS on the Honor 200 and Oxygen OS on the Nord 4. Both offer a smooth experience but come with preloaded apps that you can remove. And of course, it's 2024, so both phones come packed with AI features. The Honor 200 offers a variety of AI-powered tools aimed at enhancing life with faster, more seamless connectivity and quick file transfers across apps, thanks to the Magic Portal and Anywhere Door. There's also the Magic Capsule, similar to the iPhone's Dynamic Island, which allows you to run and monitor multiple apps simultaneously on the top panel of the display. However, I've found the Nord 4's AI features like AI Speak, AI Summarize and AI Writer more practical in my daily use. These features offer functionalities that I genuinely rely on, making them more valuable to me, especially as a content creator, compared to the Honor 200's focus on connectivity and multitasking improvements. OnePlus also promises 4 years of major Android updates and 6 years of security patches compared to Honor's 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches. This makes the Nord 4 a more future-proof choice. So to wrap it up, both phones are good options in the 30K price segment. The Honor 200 boasts a gorgeous display, a reliable battery, and let's not forget an impressive camera setup. However, the Nord 4 packs a better processor, which could be a crucial factor for performance-driven users. And like I mentioned before, the Nord 4 comes with a charger in the box, saving you potential extra purchase. Also, the Nord 4 has a clear advantage in price, starting at Rs 29,999, while the Honor 200 starts at Rs 34,999. So for 5,000 rupees more, ultimately the choice depends on your priorities. If versatile camera features are your preference, the Honor 200 is a good option. But if you prioritize raw processing power, the Nord 4 might be the better choice. Let us know in the comments which one you choose and why. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.